Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The CS6000xl by Progressive Dynamics is a battery charger used in portable applications such as pull trailers for camping. This particular unit was completely rebuilt and is being tested at various levels of current output to a test battery. The CS6000xl comes with our 3-year warranty. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.